Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to clean clams. Never select a clam that is already open or chipped, broken, or damaged in any way. Soak your clams for 20 minutes in fresh water just before cooking. Once the clams have been soaked, use a firm brush and scrub off any additional sand, barnacles, or other oceanic attachments.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It is the plankton, and other microscopic creatures, eaten by the mussel that are still in its digestive tract when caught and cooked, i.e., the undigested remnants the mussel did not have time to digest.
Take our lead.
Even an hour will help. But you can purge your clams as long as there is oxygen in your seawater. Leave your clams too long, and they suffocate and die. Overnight is what I normally do with a 50 clam limit of western littlenecks and 4 to 10 horseneck or Washington clams.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Once opened, the clam's body parts are exposed. On some types of clams, the skin covering the neck is black and should be removed, and their stomachs are also sometimes black because of undigested contents.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.